Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gary, aka the Plastic Boy. By the way, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that loved my story time last week. I felt like it was such a story that I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it out there, just because, you know, it was kind of like a painful time, just because I really loved the job, but you guys really loved the story time. If you guys want me to do more, I've got some mad stories, guys, like proper mad. Let me guys know in the comment down below. But obviously this is a different video, it's a different Sunday, it's all about Color Drain. So today I'm gonna be using the new Safari Raine palette. I actually love Colored Raine. It's Colored Raine. I keep saying Colored Drain. What the hell's wrong with me? I actually used their palette, which is the Queen of Hearts palette, because Beauty Bay actually sent me one years ago, and I actually love it. The colors just blend like butter. So I actually tagged them in an Instagram post, and then they loved it, and then I actually reached out to them, so they sent me the Safari collection. So they sent me this beautiful palette, which is called Safari Raine. It's full of like golds, red gold, exotic greens. It's very beautiful. They actually sent me some two brushes, which are these brushes here, and they also sent some lipsticks, but I actually can't find them because I was gonna put them on in today's video, but it just didn't work out. I couldn't find them anywhere. I'm not sure where they are. Have they been stolen? Have they been placed? I don't know. So let's get on with this tutorial. And okay, so before I begin, I forgot to give my shout out of the week, and it actually goes to Chantal Williams, and she says, I have you as a big brother and I look forward to watching your videos. Great attitude and what a story. Lesson your co-workers are not your friends. They will snitch on you in a heartbeat. You have a wonderful day now. Thank you so much. And that is the moral of the story, girl. Literally, these co-workers are not your friends. Keep it cute and keep it moving, and let's begin. Okay, so I'm super excited to go into this palette. Let me zoom you in a bit. Like that. So I'm trying to think what look to do. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Clay, which looks like this. It's kind of like a really nice orange. I'm going to use this as a transition color, and let's see what this does. Okay, it's showing up on my skin. I'm not sure if Color Drain is black owned. Does anyone know? Because I know their campaign was like very regal. They used this beautiful black woman. It was so gorgeous. I think it's black owned. I'm not sure. I don't really know much information about the brand. All I know is they do really cool pigmented stuff for dark skin tones, but you know, sometimes these brands can be owned by, you know, white people, or like, you know, just owned by, you know, it's just owned by a corporation. I'm not sure who it's owned by, but maybe I should do my Googles and find out. But so far this color looks beautiful. I did prime my eyelids using the Too Faced multi-sculpted concealer, just because I really like, oh, this color's beautiful. I really like that concealer just because I feel like the P. Louise one is good, but I just feel like when you pull it on, it's really hard to blend colors. It's just not that cute, you know? Okay, so I added some medical tape just because it really just guides me on where I'm going to put my eyeshadow. And did I forget to tell you, this palette has such a cute mirror. So nice. It's perfect for traveling as well, but obviously I'm not sure if someone would want to wear green eyeshadow for an everyday look, but it depends on what kind of person you are, do you know what I mean? But yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this color, which is called Congo Basin, which is like a beautiful green like that. I'm going to place that in the crease just so I can really like, I don't know, create that kind of green eye. I'm just gonna place it carefully, like just there. Ooh, this is kind of like a really unique color. And then we're gonna deepen up with another color, but I've never ever done a green eyeshadow look before. Very interesting. Why am I not looking in this mirror? I'm so like, oh my God. I'm really excited because I've never played with greens. Have you guys noticed I'm trying to do more color? Just because I feel like you guys love color. So, you know, why not have a moment, you know? I just feel like recently, I was just watching the news. The news is so depressing, and like that situation that happened in New Zealand was just awful. And I just feel like, oh, it really brings out the racism in people, like the racist side, you know what I mean? I just feel like if you look at the headlines of this guy that has killed people compared to when, you know, someone else does it, it's just crazy. And I just feel like the world is slowly ending. Like the weather's mad, people are moving mad, the news is mad. Like, what the hell is going on? Like, I'm just not even sure. Like, okay, so that color Congo Basin didn't really deepen up my crease, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Jungle, which is a bit more of like a darker green. I'm really scared. Oh, are you guys seeing that green? Oh my God, it's so dark. I'm just gonna like buff that out. so dark. I really want to go and watch this film called What Men Want with Taraji P. Henderson. So I say hi, Taraji P. Henderson. I'm not sure what her last name is, but you know who I mean, from Empire. And I really want to watch Us with Lupita Nyong'o. There's so much good films like recently, and I just felt like last month there was not really any good films. Have you guys watched it? Let me know. I actually watched Green Book. It was so good. It had that really hot guy in from Moonlight. It was such a good film. It was really, really, really sad. Like, I'd recommend everyone go and watch that film because it really opens up your eyes into like how far we've come in society. Like, it's actually mad. This color looks really nice. You guys like it? Okay, so I blended these colors out. I do think maybe I should have used a bit of a lighter concealer to make them really pop, but I do think the colors are popping, and you know what I've noticed? There's hardly any fall down, which is amazing. I'm gonna go in with the shade Green Valley. I want to see how this like looks by itself without any like Fix Plus or setting spray. So let's just press that on. Oh, that is so nice. I've actually never really used green before, like ever. Maybe it's gonna make my eyes stand out because my contact lenses, my eyes, are a tiny bit like, they have like a bit of green in them. Oh my god, this color is, let me try and use some setting spray. I'm just gonna use my all-nighter. So anyway, I might be going to Coachella next month. Are you guys gonna be there? Let a hoe know. It'll be my first time going. I should be able to confirm like, oh my god, that's better. I should be able to confirm like maybe like next week. But oh my god, I'm so excited. I've never been. I've always wanted to go. I do really wish I went when it was Beyonce's year because obviously Beyonce killed it that year. But obviously I'm still excited. Ariana Grande's album's cute and I love Childish Gambino. So I'm really, really excited to go. This green is cute, you know, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm actually really liking the way Green Valley went on. So where's that brush gone? I'm gonna apply some of Toucan, which is just kind of like it's kind of like a greeny goldy color. I'm just gonna apply it just in between, see how this looks. Oh my god, this palette's really, really nice. It is giving me like safari vibes, and this color just blends in like perfectly. Oh my god, I'm actually like loving it. Let me guys know if you guys have used this palette before. Obviously it's only brand new, but I know like in America color drains is super popular. I don't think it's that popular over here. Like I think I know people know about it, but I don't think it's like extremely popular. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna go in with the new Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Liner. You guys know I love the Fenty one. I've been using in almost every video, so I'm gonna try this one. Wish me luck. If it goes wrong, we're basically fucked, but okay, so I did add the Too Faced liner. It isn't as black. I'm not sure what it is like, and I found it a bit more harder to use than the Fenty one. It's still a nice liner. I think if you're a pro at liner, then definitely use that one. But for me, the Fenty one's like super, super black. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add these lashes, which are part of the the Safari Raine collection. I've actually lost the box for it, but I remember the name and I'll link it down below because these lashes are so bomb. I'm gonna insert a picture of me wearing them at the Glamour Festival last week. Everyone was asking where I got them from. I just hope they're permanent because I just feel like they're really easy to put on, but I'm going to pop them on and let you guys know what they're. Hey guys, my base is all done. I just kind of added some highlight and contour. I used the Clinique Even Better Foundation Refresh. My friend tweeted it on the other day, so I was like, let me just use that because I know I got that in PR. And I also used the new Hydro Grip Primer. This is one of the best primers I've ever used, guys. If you guys want me to do an updated like base routine, let me know because my base hasn't really changed that much, but if you want me to do it, I'll do it. So I'm gonna go in with the color Grip and use this shade here. I'm literally just gonna like press it there, like press it on there. It'd be really nice if I had a green eyeliner. I don't think I have one, but I'm just like pressing it. Okay, so now the color Jungle is on. I'm gonna go in on the bottom with that transition color, which is called Clay. I'm actually just gonna use that brush there. Okay, so I'm all done. I added what's the eyeliner called? Where is it? So I added Decay Vice eyeliner. So if you haven't tried Urban Decay's 24/7 glide-ons, they're super, super nice. The only one I wouldn't recommend if you wear contact lenses is Perversion, just because Perversion, it breaks off, so it can look a tiny bit mad. I really want to add like a corner, like an inner corner highlight there. I'm not sure what color to add. I'm thinking, should I add Tigress, which is more ready, but it may throw off the look. I might add Amazon Basing, but actually I'm gonna add Lioness because it kind of goes in with the theme. Let me just put some here. Oh yeah, that's nice. See, it's really, really pretty. I'm kind of like happy the way this turned out. It's really nice, super like colorful for me. I probably wouldn't wear this like out unless I was going somewhere super glam, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do highlight now. I'm gonna add the color Toucan. Why does Toucan, the name really rings a bell for me? I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm gonna add Toucan. It's a bit more of like a yellow undertone like that. Oh, my skin looks glowing. Oh cool, oh cool. So I'm gonna add that color. Let's see how it goes. I don't know, it could go one way or the other, but let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna add a tiny bit, but this is really, really nice. It's kind of giving me like trophy wife vibes, but okay. Okay, so the look is almost done. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would have known I'm in a new campaign with Avon UK. So they basically brought out new nudes, and it's a nude to suit every skin tone. I'm so happy because I got my perfect nude, and this is in the color French Toast, which looks like this. I'll show you it. It's kind of like a really nice brown mauvey nude. It's super, super nice. You can wear it by itself. You can add a lip liner. I wear it by itself. This totally isn't spun. I've actually already done my content for them, but I'm just gonna add it in there because I think it's a nice color, and I'll show you what it looks like on now. So you can see it's just like a really nice nude. I just use a finger to pat it in. It's super natural. It really looks nice with like a brown liner as well. See, so nice, proper natural, and it's French toast. So hey guys, we have come to the end of the video. I put on a little green number so it can bring up my eyes. So the palette, Safari Raine, I actually love it. I feel like you could create so many looks with it. It's super on fleek. It's a shame I couldn't find the lipsticks just because I felt like there was a dark one that would have went so good with this look, but it's probably around my room somewhere. If I find it, I will definitely incorporate it into one of my next videos. The lashes are nice. I'll definitely link the lashes down below, and I'll let you guys know the name because I feel like the lashes are so pretty and they really bring out the look. What else? The foundation's really nice, the Clinique one, but I actually didn't put that in the video. If you guys want me to do an updated foundation routine, let me guys know. And obviously if you want me to do any more story times, let me know too. Thank you for watching this video. It would mean the world to me if you click that subscribe and the like button. I shall see you in my next video on Wednesday, and I love you guys so much. Bye.